We'll guide you through how to create a horizontal scroll in Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma and navigate to your project where you want to add a horizontal scroll. To start, you need to create a frame that will act as your scrollable area. Click on the frame tool or press the F key, then draw a frame on your canvas. Make sure this frame is smaller in width than the content you want to scroll through, as this will create the scrolling effect. Next, place your content inside this frame. You can do this by either dragging existing elements into the frame or creating new ones directly inside it. Ensure that the content exceeds the width of the frame so that there's overflow to scroll through. Now, with the frame selected, look at the right-hand properties panel and find the overflow behavior section here. You need to select horizontal scrolling. This setting tells Figma that you want to scroll horizontally within this frame. To preview the scrolling, click on the present button at the top right of Figma. This will open your design in prototype mode, allowing you to test the horizontal scroll by dragging left and right within the frame. If you want to refine the scrolling experience, you can adjust the frame size, the content's positioning, or even add scroll shadows for a more polished look. Make sure everything is aligned and looks good in the prototype mode. And that's how you create a horizontal scroll in Figma, enabling you to showcase wide content beautifully and interactively. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.